How to fix Discord joining random servers. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have now to go directly to, you go to apps, and on apps you'll find here all the applications that you have on your phone. So what you should do, just open Discord, and on Discord go to storage. On storage go to clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.